I recently came across a product called Visium Care, and it's being marketed as a natural eye health supplement that can improve vision clarity, reduce eye strain, and protect your eyesight. The ad make it sound like a simple solution that can restore or even improve your vision naturally. But here's the truth. Vision care is massively overhyped. The claims are exaggerated and not backed by solid clinical evidence. Before I continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purpose only. So now let's break it down. So first, what the product actually is. It typically contains some common ingredients like lutein, zeaxanthin, berberine, and vitamins that are already found in many similar products. These ingredients may support general eye health, but they are not powerful enough to restore lost vision or cure serious eye conditions the way the ad suggests. And more importantly, no over-the-counter supplement can reverse vision damage or magically fix eyesight problems. That alone is a major red flag. Next, marketing. Vision care is promoted using phrases like hidden vision, breakthrough, natural eyesight restoration, and clinically proven formula. Sometimes the ad claim there's a secret method or discovery that eye doctors supposedly don't want people to know about. Then they position Visium Care as the answer. This is a classic supplement marketing tactic designed to create emotional trust before selling the product. So now here it is where the product gets worse or the thing gets worse. The marketing relies heavily on fake credibility. You'll often see phrases like FDA approved and different other things or doctor recommended, but dietary supplements are not FDA approved for effectiveness, and there are no major independent clinical um, backup. If you go through the FAQs as well, you can see there are no much of support for you, and there are no much of clarity for the answers that you are seeking for. Then there are those reviews. If you go through the reviews, the official site is filled with glowing five-star ratings and dramatic success stories, but these reviews are likely filtered or controlled. There's very little independent verification showing real long-term results from actual customers. And finally, the product itself, Visium Care, is not unique. It's same type of supplement formula that gets rebranded or sold under different names all the time. The packaging changes, the story changes, but the marketing tactics stay exactly the same. So when you step back and look at everything, it becomes very clear this is not a miracle vision solution. Is just a generic supplement being sold with exaggerated claims, fake credibility, and aggressive marketing. So, if you have seen this product or tried it yourself, drop your experience in the comment. So, stay alert because many health supplements online are built more on marketing rather than the real evidences.